Hi guys, here we are at Sherwood Castle Lodges on the outskirts of Nottingham. I'm going to take you on a little tour around the park. In the background there you can see our lodge. We're in number 7A, Friar Tuck. We've got a 3-bedroom lodge which I'll show you later on. So let's go for a wander. This is like the main entrance road to get into the park. If you look here, we've got one of the original props here from the film Robin Hood, Prince of Thieves, one of my favourite films of all times. It shows you there, look, that is the original from the film. It's really nice. It's only a small park, but it's ideal for what it is. So a little bit further down here you can participate in the archery and down to the Rufford Lake, which at the moment is currently flooded. Squirrel in the tree. So currently at the moment, because of the COVID, there's quite a lot of the activities that are not on. So we're not letting it spoil our holiday, our trip. Would have been nice to have had a go at some of the facilities, but obviously COVID changed the rules there. So just walking up here now towards the archery centre. This is where they currently do the archery. And then if you go here, there's like a little bird spotting. I'll have a go with the camera, but yeah, that might not work. Let's see if we can see if I can peep through, if we can see anything. Yeah, you can see the birds.
Nothing on it.
Little bird tables. There's nothing on it currently. There's some little molehills. You can hear all the birds chirping in the trees. Oops. There's a hole there. This is where we are, Sherwood Castle Holiday Forest. It's lovely. You can see the lodges nestled all around the lakes. Can't fish it. It's a nice pretty little lake. And just go a little bit further here. This is the main reception. There's a little tiny shop in there. At the moment there's not much stocked in there due to the COVID. And then just to the left you have the kiddies play park. It's a good play park. That just tells you about all the birds that you can see in and around the woodlands. Also, if you look here, We have another prop here from the film Robin Hood, Prince of Thieves. And of course you've got the statue there of Robin Hood. And then the dovecot. Again, you can just see in the background there the reception checking in area and the small shop. Another prop there from the original film. There's a five-a-side football pitch. Absolutely amazing in the summer. A little bit cold today to play football. We'll keep the kiddies happy for a little while. It's currently 6 o'clock in the evening. It's very, very quiet, very, very peaceful. Everybody's just chilling in the lodges. Lodges are really, really, really cosy. Like I said, I will do a separate vlog on the lodges. I'll show you our lodge inside. We've got little statue there of Robin Hood. A little bit further up here we've got the Crazy Golf. We haven't managed to find that yet.
I think it's open.
And then you've got a little seating area there for the children to play and climb.
Got the animal.
There's also an animal petting zoo.
That's not open at the moment.
That's not open at the moment. You walk down here. This is down near where we're staying, in the middle of the forest. Got the map here of the whole site. Don't know if you can quite see that, it's a bit dark. So we're just walking back down towards the cabin, the lodge. There is a one-way system for the cars, so you can only come one way in. It is a lovely little place to stay. We've enjoyed it. We're here for 4 nights. It's like a little comfort home from home. Clumsy, like me. And then this is us. We're back at our lodge. I'm going to show you around the area of the outside of the lodge. So this is our lodge. Like I said, we're quite nestled in the middle of the woods. So we got a little step up here, seating area, ideal in the summer. And then if you just come around here. Another little seating area, and again nestled in the woods. So that's it, guys. That's a little tour around the park. Like I said, absolutely beautiful here, really, really peaceful, really quiet. We're really impressed with it. We're staying here for 4 nights. It is October, so it's a bit nippy, but inside the lodge, lovely, comfy and cosy. Join us on our next vlog when I show you around the lodge, and happy holidays.